The first one is location, right? Making sure that you're in the right place with the right customers, that you've got the right demographics will determine whether, more than anything, whether you're going to be successful. Make sure that you understand that first. And then making sure that you negotiate a proper lease, that you're going to spend $100,000 or better on a build out of a laundromat, and then you lose your lease in 3 to 5 years. That could be a real problem, right? So right sizing the laundry to your demographic, making sure it's the right mix of equipment. There's how to describe it. It's the build out costs. You got to weight analysis of that, of what it's going to cost if your water's not there, your gas is not there, your electrical is not there, and all of a sudden your costs really balloon. You're going to be able to make sure you understand it before you sign that lease. And then ultimately, this isn't a completely hands-off business. You've got to be able to show up and be part of it and make sure that you're managing it properly and that you're setting yourself up for success. You can certainly run a hands-off business. It lends itself to it, but what we find is that machines, if they go out of order, people tear them up. They try to, they get frustrated. If the machine didn't work and they don't have a refund immediately, the laundry it just gets dirty in a hurry. They just pour soap on top of the machines. It's not clean. The trash is not emptied. The bathrooms are not clean. It just sends the wrong message to the customer. But when they walk into a facility that's very tidy, that everything is clean, there's, the machines are typed down, the lint's been pulled out of the dryer so they dry properly and they dry efficiently. The bathrooms, how many of us that will drive past old gas stations to go to a Quick Trip or a Buc-ee's or something that's a nice clean bathroom and they've got all the extra amenities, right? How many of us do that? It's the same thing in the laundromat. You walk in, there's a smiling face that if you've never been here before, how can I help you? And it just gives the image of a modern, clean, successful laundromat.